What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today this video is gonna be the video that I'm gonna cover, and it's gonna stay on my channel, and I'm gonna go back to it. If my predictions, if my TA has been wrong, I'm gonna make another video, go back to this video and apologize, and I'm gonna make and admit that I made wrong TA here, okay? But all we do, keep in mind, we're not enemies here. We're trying to figure out the direction of market. And as I have been telling you guys, I have been covering in my videos, I've been telling you guys that Bitcoin is gonna have difficulty passing this level. Okay, it does not have to only run by news, guys. Okay, so we already seen that in the last big event that we had, futures ETF, how we actually dropped and went back up and made the new all-time high, and we still dropped even lower. So I'm not going to be surprised if we do see the same thing, because we have another level to watch, and it's going to be around 51 52k, guys. So this line that you guys see, I have been showing you, and in this yellow line, you guys see that price one time it failed, and now it's trying one more time. So I won't be surprised to do a little bit of accumulation, or even go straight up and hit these levels. And this time, in my opinion, none of these are going to be financial advice. Do your own research. But in my opinion, we're gonna go back down this time, guys. Okay, so I am very open to anything that happens. And as I said, I'm going to keep this video, and I'm going to go back to it. I'm going to mention that I've been warning you guys. I'm going to either be wrong. Nobody has crystal ball, guys. Nobody knows the exact direction of the market. We are here to see the charts and see how price could react to these resistance and support lines. Okay, and as you guys see, that there was a proof after the event. We had ETF news around here, and we had the sell off. And same thing in here, we had the sell off, but we still had another rally to it. Okay, this is we are in a money game, guys. Money, crypto is all about mentality, fear, and hype. Okay, so anything when crypto market is based on these three that I just mentioned, bigger investors are not going to do the obvious thing, right? Okay, everybody were expecting, including me, that we were gonna go to $12,000 and then go up, but we saw the price did not even go. So people kept shorting that, assuming that we're gonna go back, touch $12,000 and go back up, including me. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong. Okay, but what I'm trying to say in here, guys, so a lot of people, a lot of you guys are thinking that we're gonna keep going up. First of all, we are too early to go this much higher. And 4-year cycle is going to be so questionable. It's going to be totally changed if we just keep going up. Do you guys really want this 4-year cycle to break? And we don't know what's going to happen next. We could just go rally up and up, and before even the 4-year cycle is ended, we can just crash back down. Okay, so do you guys? It's going to be so questionable that for us to even guess it, because if we actually go back to the last halving we had, the perfect cycle that we had, all 3-4 cycles that we had before, 3 of them, we could actually time the price. Of course, a lot of people were gonna still not admit that we're gonna crash, but same thing could happen in here, guys. So I do not think that we're gonna change this 4-year cycle anytime soon. So as I said before, we have reached again in here, and I'm not gonna be surprised if we go to $52,000. When we were around here, we were not even here yet. I told you guys that I already had a line in here. Go back and watch my videos. I have had this line around here for a long time when price was not even close to it. And I said that there is a high chance of even going to 52k, because people are watching this area. And if we actually go above this level, people are going to get into longs. And of course, as I said, this is a money game. Crypto is money game. So money making game. So they're not going to do the obvious thing. There could be a bull trap in here. So people are going to get into longs. Of course, a lot of shorts who have been shorting around here, they're going to mostly get liquidated here. And as you guess it, people are gonna start longing. Same people who shorted, because they're gonna think like, oh yeah, Bitcoin is breaking above this level, so we're gonna keep going up. They're gonna get into long, and guess what? We're gonna get liquidated for the longs too. Okay, as I said, none of these are financial advice, but as I'm saying, we are on weekend. I just made a video before we even get to this weekend. I see more price going higher. We were around $47,000 when I said it. We have done another 1,300 higher in price on the weekend, because as I said, retail investors are always positive about price going higher, and that is totally wrong. I disagree with it, because a lot of people got fooled in here, and they thought that we're gonna keep going up, but as you guys see, we went down, and a lot of people got wrecked. Okay, so I want you guys to stop being too positive about market. My goal is to make money too. Okay, I really want Bitcoin to succeed, go higher to higher prices, but we need to really consider everything in this market. As I said, in this previous bull market that we had, you guys saw that there was a cup and handle, but it did not really successfully shape up, and we could not make any higher prices, and we broke down. So I'm not going to be surprised, as I said, if we go above, try to make a cup and handle pattern, and we actually break below. Okay, so this could still happen. As I said, another one, same deal for S&P 500. As I said, the price is going higher, but the RSI is going lower. This is a bearish movement, guys. All right, so in the daily chart, a USDC dominance is still in the good support, and we could still go higher. And as we go higher, we're gonna see sell off from Bitcoin and altcoin, and going back to USDC dominance. And USDT dominance, as I said before, we touched this level one more time. Look how many times we started going back up from this level, and I'm not gonna be really surprised. We could still go lower. As I said, we can go back up to 52K, but I want to say that I'm still expecting Bitcoin to get USDT dominance, get support around here, and start going back up. And as I said, it is opposite correlation, and we could get sell off for Bitcoin and altcoins. Okay, DXY, as I said, we have broken above, but slowly going back down. I am expecting to get support around here and start going back up. And as the same deal for USDT, USDC dominance, and DXY, they move the same way. All right, I want to actually show you guys S&P 500. Anytime we got to these levels, we had prices crashing right here. So you guys see that around here, price was lower, right? And although we went lower and got to these levels, okay, let me actually show you what's error. So error. Okay, you guys see in here, okay, we got to this level, and when we got to this level, price went even higher, right? So that means that we could not have enough strength for RSI, although price was going higher. All right, same thing in here. Actually, a little bit different, because we actually topped around here, and RSI got topped around here as well. Actually, this is not RSI, it's a MACD, okay, with plus RSI. Okay, so every time we got to these levels, we saw price rejecting and going lower. Let me actually move this. Okay, price was around here, okay, and it was higher, went down, price crashed. Same deal in here, price was in this level, then price crashed, we went lower. So we are on this same level, guys, and as you can guess, we could go back down and do a bull trap for S&P 500, and guess what could happen for Bitcoin. Okay, so in monthly chart, we are still going back up around this level that I have been saying, still 49.50K up to 52K could happen, guys. And if we go higher, it's gonna fool a lot of people. All right, to me, this is just, I have to keep saying this, but these videos are gonna stay here, and if I'm gonna be wrong, I'm gonna make a video and admit that I was wrong. Okay, so I want you guys to be careful. Tomorrow is Monday. All right, businesses are gonna still start trading. Bigger investors are gonna start trading. Be careful, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you this. and I'm not asking you to sell or buy anything. This is just me showing you what I see on the charts. Okay, short term. And if Bitcoin keeps going back down, guys, there is no worry for it. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of more opportunities for buying. Okay, so you guys should actually be grateful even if we go back lower, because you're gonna have a lot of good opportunities to buy altcoins even in lower discounts, and Bitcoin as well, or even Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum has been stuck around is right here. You guys saw that we had this crash back down. Although we went lower, we closed these all of these candles, kept getting support around here, and that is one of the reasons that you guys see that Ethereum is stuck and it closing every single candle below here. So you guys need to watch to see where Ethereum is actually heading. If it can break above and stay here for a couple of weeks, then we can trust this movement for Ethereum that we could go to the same level as Bitcoin has reached long time ago. So Ethereum has been moving in a very disappointing way, and because, as I said, there is still a high chance of going back down for even Ethereum and other altcoins. Okay, so be careful. This is about it for today. Like and subscribe, join the membership if you guys want to know that what we are buying with my members, and I cover a lot of things in my membership videos. Any questions you guys have, I answer them. And please like the video, it helps the channel. I will be back. Take care.